So today we will discuss about the Ansible ad-hoc command, node, and playbook. Right. So what is the Ansible ad-hoc command? So Ansible ad-hoc command is a single line command, or we can say it's a Linux-based command. Okay. So ad-hoc command are one line used for the quick tasks without create a playbook. Okay. So without create a playbook, we can if there is any requirement quick action. Okay. Quick task performance. So we will go for this the simple Linux command, or we can say Ansible ad-hoc command. Okay, so this is the one of the example you can see here. This is the one of the example like Ansible. The inventory means the in the inventory file we mention the our node machine information, right? So this thing, and here is the m is the module, which module we want to use, and this is the argument. Okay, so here here is the Ansible. Okay, and the inventory, in this inventory I have written here all, means it will take all the groups in the inventory file. It will take all the groups, and m means which module I will use the ping module. Suppose we want to use how many server is working fine. Okay, how many node machine is working fine. So for that I will use this command, Ansible command. Okay, then next is the module. What is the module? Module as the building the block of Ansible automation. They are used to perform tasks on the managed nodes. Okay, so means which tags it will manage. It manage like ping. Okay, and check if hosts are reachable or not. Okay, and shell execute the command in the shell. Okay, and the copy, it will execute the copy like suppose in the Ansible server. Okay, in the master Ansible server we want to copy a file to our node server. This file is like our shell script. Okay, so we want to copy the file to our host means the master Ansible machine to our node server. Then we will use the this module, copy module, and yum or apt, this is the Ansible package manager. Okay, so and the service, service is the managed service on the host. So service means suppose we will install the Apache server. We will install the Apache server. If I will install the Apache server, then what we will do, then after installing the Apache server, we have to start this server. For this start the server, we will use the this service module. Okay, so this is the one of the another example you can see here. Ansible, this is the all it will take the all inventory file module, and m means the sorry, all the inventory file group. Okay, all means it will take all the groups inside the inventory file, and m means the is take the copy module and pass the argument. This is the argument, right? This is the destination, destination path. Sorry, this is the source path. Okay, right, this is the source path and this is the destination path. Okay, so let's go to the next, that is the Ansible playbook. So what is the Ansible playbook? Playbook are YAML file. Okay, this Ansible playbook is written in the YAML dot extension is the YAML, and YAML file defining the automating the text. They can consist of place which include the host, role, and text. Okay, so this is the basic format, one of the our Ansible playbook. You can see it start with three hyphens. Okay, you have to start the Ansible playbook is the three hyphen, and it's a YAML file, so you have to maintain the indentation. Okay, and it's a in a key and value format. Means the host here is the key and the value is demo, right? So in the host means we want to use which group. You have to mention the group name in the host. You have to mention the group name and the become. Okay, in the become means becomes true means or s means you have give the sudo permission. Okay, then the connection type is sss. We have already know this thing, sss connection. Then the tax means which tag you have to perform. Here here is the tax name. It's depend upon you, you can write anything here. And this is the action. Okay, so action means which the task it perform, we have to give the instruction. Okay, so it's a yum module, it will execute the yum module and name is the httpd and state is present means it's install the httpd apache web application. Okay, so let's do the these two thing in a demo. Okay, so we will go one by one. So let me create a ansible server and node. Okay, so go to this. I think the previous class we have used the Amazon machine. So in today's class we will use the Ubuntu. Okay, Ansible Ubuntu. Okay, select the Ubuntu. Let it be there. Select the keyfare. Okay, and find launch to machine. Okay, go to this dashboard, running machine. Okay, it will come. Let's go to the git bash. Okay, wait. Let me take this one as a master. Okay, and let me take it as a node. Copy this one, paste it here, press enter. Okay, yes. Okay, so first we have to update this. So sudo apt update, press enter. It's actually very simple in the Ubuntu. Just by this command means to install sudo uh, apt install Ansible. Okay, don't need to pip install Ansible. Just this command, it will install the Ansible. Just wait, it will take time. Okay, now it's finished. Okay, if I will check the Ansible version, Ansible hyphen version, then you can see this is the Ansible version. Okay, so we have to create a Ansible directory in the etc folder. Okay, and also create a host file. Okay, so this is the command. Just copy this one, sudo. Okay, fine, the directory is created. Then this is the file, sudo, this is the file name, and in this file, in the host file, we have to mention the information, whole node information. So this is the my group name, demo group. Okay, let's go to the AWS account and copy this node machine public IP. Okay, and paste it here and save this file. Okay, fine. Then what we have to do, we have to make the SSH connection between the our master machine to our node machine. So let's do the SSH hyphen key chain, press enter, press enter, enter, enter. Okay, then go to the cd.ssh. Okay, do ls hyphen l and copy the pop file content, cat pop file. Okay, and just open one new terminal for node machine, paste the node machine IP here, press enter, yes. Okay, and update this one, sudo apt update, press enter. Okay, fine, let's go to the .ssh folder, cd.ssh ls hyphen l, just edit this one, sudo vi. Okay, just edit this one, go to the end of this line, press enter. Okay, sorry, let me copy the this content. Okay, host machine of file content, and paste it here and save this one. Okay, now go to the master machine. Okay, and we will execute this, the master machine. Okay, first we have to execute the our this. Okay, ad-hoc command. So let me execute this ad-hoc command. Okay, copy this one, paste it here, press enter, give fingerprint yes. Okay, you can see I will able to ping this operation, ping pong. Okay, ping means I have sent the ping command, it will return a pong, ping pong connection. Okay, so instead of all, if I will do demo, then what will happen, it also work, I can see. Okay, it also work because in the inventory file I have mentioned the group name as a demo. Okay, so in the this command, this all means it will take all the group, and this when I will go for this demo, it only specify the only the demo group. Okay, so in this way you can test your server is working or reachable or not. Okay, so this is the ad-hoc command. Then go to the this module. Okay, how we will check this module, let's do some create first file. Okay, let me create the file, touch text dot txt. Okay, and after that go to this and copy this command. Okay, and paste it here, and uh, uh, okay, okay, just a minute, let me check the path first. pwd, okay, and okay, paste it and edit this one according to our requirement, just like copy this path. This is the source path, okay, source path. And the file is the text dot text, okay, and the destination, let me give the destination path is temp, okay, this is the destination path. So you can see here the Ansible, and here is the inventory, means all, means in the inventory file it will take all the group, okay, and m is means this is the use the copy module, okay. So this is the example of a module. First you will execute the ad hoc command for ping the our server, then this is the example of the module. And we will use this copy command and pass the we'll use the copy module, okay, copy module, and pass this argument. hmm. This argument is the source, means the where which file we want to copy. We have to provide the file path, okay, and the destination means the our node machine destination, we want to um, which folder we want to copy this file. Let me go to the cd slash temp, okay, and check ls-l, there is a no file, okay. When let me execute this one, okay, it's changed, you can see here this is changed. And when I will go to this, okay, you can see this file is created, okay. So if I will do, instead of all, let me do the demo, then also it will work, okay, you can see, okay, then, but there is a difference, you can see here, it's change and it's success, okay. What will happen, change means it will create a file, okay, modify anything in this directory, means the destination directory, it's modified. But when I will execute the same thing, it will just success, means it's check, is there any modification is there, it's not there, because there is file is already present. If I will change inside this file, okay, let me change anything, sudo vi, okay, let me write something, good morning, okay, insert, save this one, okay. And execute the same command, okay, demo. Let me, instead of demo, if I will pass means mention the index number, okay, if I will do the index number, suppose let me do the index number 1, what will happen, what will happen, okay, what will happen. So let me first show the, okay, it will give the error. Why it will give the error, let me first show the cat slash etc ansible host, okay. You can see in the host file, in the module demo group, this is the one IP address is there. If I will do this, it will give the error, because in the demo, and this is what, this is the index number, and remember the index number always start with 0, okay. So we can execute according to our means you want to use suppose copy the command, you uh, list out the IP address, okay, and you want to, from your list you want to execute the command for the second number, okay, second number of instance IP you want to execute this command, then you will go for this one, because the first is always 0 start and the second is 1. Okay, accordingly you can manage this. If I will do here 0, press enter, then what happened? It will execute and it also change. You can see it's just success. Okay, and after that it changed because I just change. Here you can see I just change. Okay, change the edit the file, and if I will go to the my host, means my node machine. Okay, node machine, and do cat text, you can see good morning is here written. Okay, and this is the example of the module. Means the if you will go for the Linux command, it will execute again and again, but in the module what will happen? First it will check is there anything to change, then it will change, or it will give like this message, it's a success. Okay, this is the beauty of the Ansible. Unnecessary, it will not take the time to modify it. Just if there is any required, then it will change. Okay, okay, fine. Then go to the Ansible playbook. How you will write the Ansible playbook, and it's a very important. We as a develop engineer, we will daily basis we use this playbook. Okay, so let me go to the master server. This is the master server, and create a file here. Okay, sudo vi apache yaml. Okay, so you have to give any name, and the extension should be yaml. Press enter, insert, copy this one. Okay, copy this one, and okay, paste it here. Okay, so as I told before, Ansible playbook is in the YAML extension, and always start with three lines. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, and then this is the one line space, and then the host. Host means we have to mention the group name, which group you want to execute this playbook. And the become is s, means give the sudo privilege. Okay, you remember when we will go to install a Apache server, you the command is what? The sudo apt install Apache. Okay, so that's sudo is the become yes. The connection is SSH connection, and tags, which tags it will perform? It will perform this tags. Okay, so name you can, for identification you can give anything. Okay, so I'm giving the not http, I'm giving the Apache. Okay, because it's a Ubuntu machine. And action, let me do this action like not yum, this is the apt. Apt, and name is the Apache. Apache. Okay, name is Apache, and state is present. Present in the state present means it install the Apache server. Okay, so save this one. Okay, and execute the playbook. So in many of the interview maybe ask you how to execute the playbook. The command for execute the playbook is Ansible, okay, hyphen playbook, and the playbook name apache.yaml. Before you execute the playbook, the best practice is you have to try run this playbook whether there is any error or not. So how we will try run this command? We have to hyphen check. Okay, press enter. You can see first play the demo group. Okay, okay, I think is available, no package match Apache. Okay, there is a error, I got the error. Before you execute the playbook, you have to check for dry run. Means dry run means it will not execute in the node machine, but if it will execute, what will happen, it will show here. Okay, so let me go to the my YAML file. Uh, Here insert Apache 2. Okay, this thing is missing here. Okay, then again try run and check gather fact. Okay, okay, okay. You can see here uh, this thing what will happen first it's gather the fact previous video previous class you can see what is the definition of a gather. It's collect the information about our host machine node machine. Okay, about the node machine. It's okay, then execute this tags and it will change when I will execute this one. It will change, and here you can see change is 2, sorry, okay is 2 and change is 1. Means okay is 2 means what happened, first it's gather the fact 1 okay, and second okay is for its change, that's why it's 2 okay, and change means it's change install the Apache. Okay, that's why one change. Zero unreachable, failed is 0. This thing and ignore 0. Okay, so let me execute this one. So before execute, let me check whether in the node server. Okay, time out. Just wait. We will check in the node server. The Apache is installed or not. Okay, so wait. Okay, again login. Then check sudo system ctl status apache 2. Okay, so unit Apache server could not found. Okay, this service is not there, so let me execute this playbook. Okay, gather fact, it will take, you can see it will take time to install. Okay, remember this thing, when I will execute again this one, you see how much time it will take. Okay, it will take time. Yes, it's installed. Okay, you can see here okay 2 okay, you already known about this why it's written was 2 okay. Because first is gather the fact then change. Okay, and change means install the Apache server. Here if I will do this thing, it's also active. Okay, if I will go to this one and go to the security group and open the port for our http, okay, http, and for https. Okay, and save the rule, go to the dashboard running instance, then details, copy the public IP, paste it here, press enter. You can see the Apache. Okay, Apache default page. Okay, and again do the same thing. Okay, again do the same thing and let's check what is the difference. Press enter. It will not take time. Okay, you can see it will not take time. When this task is performed, it will not take time. First when it install, it take time, fast time. And you can see what is the difference here. The okay is 2 and change is 0. Okay, in this case change is 1 and in this case change is 0. So the difference you can see when the Ansible playbook is executed. First it will check the task is already done or not. If this task is already done, then it will just give a okay, and 0 changed. Okay, so interviewer maybe asks you why use playbook, why will you will we use a playbook. This is the best example of why will we use the playbook. Okay. Because in the this installation we can do in a ad-hoc command. Okay, linux based command. In ad-hoc command we can use this installation, but why we will go for this playbook? Okay, so the best answer is in ad-hoc command there is no idempotency. Okay, what is the idempotency? The idempotency means when we will execute the ad-hoc command, then the tax is repeat and repeat again. Means when we will use the installation of apache server, then it will first time it install, then second time it also install, means it will take time. But in the Ansible playbook, if you will go use the Ansible playbook, there is a idempotency. For that, this is the for the idempotency. What will happen? It will first check the tax is already done or not. If the tax is already done, then nothing to do. Okay, nothing to do, and simply no changed, and it will give this message. Unnecessary. Why it will take time? It save our time for the Ansible playbook. Okay, so then what we'll do? Let me go to the Ansible playbook. Okay, and suppose we want to um, uninstall this one. Okay, we want to uninstall this one, then give any name. We can, according to your requirement, you can give any name. Let me uninstall, right? Uninstall, and instead of present we can write absent. We can write absent and save this one. Okay, then what we will do? We will do first try run. Okay, press enter. What will happen? Let's see. Okay, you can see one change, means it will uninstall this, so one changes is there. Okay, you can see changed in this ip address, this server. And you can see that if I will do the cat here, apache. Okay, you can see this uninstall apache on linux, and here the tax name is also. You can identify according to this. If there is any error, anything, you can which tax. There is many tax here. I have written only one tax, but in previous class we will do many tax. How will this, if there is any error, how we will identify? For this name, you can identify this thing. Okay, so let me execute this one and see whether our apache server is uninstalled or not. Press enter. Okay, it will take time because it's first time. Okay, so changed one changed. Okay, let me check the again. Okay, for that go to the server, means browser, and press enter. It will refused. Okay, because apache server is uninstalled. Here also I will check the system ctl, the apache server is running or not. Okay, so sudo ctl, sudo system ctl status apache 2. Okay, it's inactive. Okay, means it's not working, it's uninstalled. So today class is for this ad command. Okay, module and playbook. And I think you got one interview question also. Why um, will you use Ansible playbook? What is the difference between ad-hoc command and the playbook? Ad-hoc command or module, what is the main difference? Okay, the main difference is interviewer want to know the term. Okay, interviewer want to know the term like idempotency. The in ad-hoc command there is no idempotency. Okay, and the uh, playbook it has a idempotency. The module also it has a idempotency. Okay, and one of the one another interview question, so just like where Ansible store all the packages. Okay, where Ansible store all the packages. The answer is this one, etc slash sorry cd slash etc Ansible. Okay, here the Ansible store all the packages. Like here I have stored the host file. Yeah? And if I will go for the role, Ansible role, and I will store the folder role folder here. Okay, so this is the Ansible store all the packages here. For today's class, this about all of today's class, and we'll study the advanced thing in the next class.